Welcome students for today's class. Today we start the event. Okay. Simply event means any subset of the sample space. Any subset of the sample space S is called an event. Okay. So let us take an example. Suppose we toss two coins. Tossing a coin two times. Okay. So tossing a coin two times. So number of sample space is equals to head, 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 tail, tail, head, and tail, tail. These are the sample space of this random experiment. Okay. Suppose we take EVA event having exactly one head. That means here exactly one head is in here and this in this. So that is HT and TH. Okay. So that means E is this event is the offset. We relate here in probability the concept of a set. So this is the say sample space S and E is the subset of this one. That means here E is subset of S. Okay. So this is known as the event. Now next we discuss types of event. Okay. So before going to these types of event, just we discuss the occurrence of the event. That means a event is occur. That means suppose in A, E omega belongs to a event E. That means in this example, that means is a omega means it's element of this event. That means here HD belongs to E. Suppose you tell in the event E there is a outcome that is TT. That means TT is not in here. So that we tell it as this. Suppose consider as TT is does not belongs to E. So that we call as the occurrence. That means here this TT does not belongs to E. That means it is not occurrence of this event. And if we tell HT, if you tell HT belongs to E. HT belongs to E. That means here HT is in the event E. So that we call it as the occurrence of this event. Okay. This is simply we tell as the if omega be an element is in the which is occurred in the event, then we call it as omega belongs to E. If this omega does not occur in this event, so we write it in this way, that is omega does not belongs to E. This is the occurrence of event. Now we discuss the types of event. So types of event is first is your impossible event. First one is your impossible event, which means the event which does not occur. The event which does not occur is known as the impossible event. Suppose for example, the day we called when we toss a coin two times, tossing a coin two times, we get head, head and head, which is not possible. So that this is known as the impossible. This type of event by getting is called as the impossible event. It is denoted by phi. And here probability of phi is equals to 0. That means the probability of an impossible event is equals to 0. Also we can take an example that the probability of getting the number in a that is which get when you rolling a die to get a number as 7, which is not possible. So that this is known as the impossible event. Okay. Next is your sure event. Okay. Sure event means it has certain outcomes. It has certain outcomes of the experiment. That means, let us take the example rolling a die. Okay. So here the sample space is equals to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. That means here we get the sample space as by if we do this experiment, we certainly or surely get these outcomes of this experiment. So that this type of events are known as the sure event, and the probability of sure event is equals to 1. Then next is a simple event. That is simple event. Okay, simple event means each elementary events is known as the simple event. That means each simple element, that means each element of the random experiment was a simple event. Let us say take a same example, that is rolling of a die. That means the sample space is equals to here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. That means here the each individual element is known as the simple event. Okay. Then next is your compound event. That means in this event it has more than one outcomes. That means simply just take an example, a tossing of a coin 2 times. That means the sample space is equals to HT, TH, TT and HH. Okay. But suppose take E be the event having exactly one head. That means H or T or T or H. That means here we get the outcomes more than one. So this type of event is known as the compound event. Okay. So this is about the event and types of events. Okay. So in next class we discuss the algebra of events. Thank you.